Guys, Darren from venomfluidart. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Fluid Art Express. We've got a short one this week, so there's only Shannon from Shambi Fluid Art up next, and then Bubbles from venomfluidart, and we're done. So, today, what I figured we'd do is just have a bit of fun, and what I'm going to do is do a, what shall I call it? Stretch and dump bloom. That sounds pretty good. So what I'm going to do is do a bloom, intentionally hit the pillow, so you get big white patches or big black patches, depending on what sort of background I'm going to be using. And then what we're going to do is stretch it right out and then tip off and dump the bit we don't like. So if you do a bloom and you get it wrong and you hit the pillow and you don't want to waste it, this is something you can do. And you get some trippy patterns, which you're going to see as I do them. I'll also add a couple of reels of bits and pieces that I've been playing with doing these. So, unfortunately the SD card crapped out halfway through, so these things happen. Alright, I'm going to throw on some tunes, kick back, relax, enjoy the ride.
I'm out in Sin City with you on my mind. You're so damn pretty, got me all tongue-tied. Come run away with me while the stakes are high. When I feel like this, just do or die. At the top floor, I can touch the sky. Take my hand, we can feel alive. I can see heaven if I close my eyes. Catch me if you can on the other side.
Stop.
every night are we? Paradise seems so far away. Still I try to buy myself some time to get me to that place. All I want is you. Staying up till we want to. Tell you what, I bet that we could see it new. I wanna let you, nothing to do. Let's throw all our worries away. I know that it takes two to get confused. Tell me, baby, what do you say? 'Cause we were just friends, and now it's something far over. And I bet that we could find a way closer. Never wanted to put all of this in your head, but I can't say that we're only friends. But I can't say that we're only friends. I just want you under the lights. I just want you when it's my time. I just want you breaking my stride. I just want you. I wanna let you, nothing to do. Let's throw all our worries away. I know that it takes two to get confused. Tell me, baby, what do you say? 'Cause we were just friends, and now it's something far over. And I bet that we could find a way closer. Never wanted to put all of this in your head, but I can't say that we're only friends. But I can't say that we're only friends. Never wanted to put all of this in your head, but I can't say that we're only friends. I see the way you look at me, like you want to, but you want. I'm begging you to take the lead. You got the green light, take control. 'Cause I wanna breathe where you breathe. I wanna hear your heartbeat. Don't need the space in between. I think you know what I'm feeling. I want your body on mine. I
We'll do a flyover of that one. They are just a load of fun. So yeah, if you're practicing your blooms and you stuff them up and hit the pillow and you don't like it, tilt them off, stretch them out, and you get all sorts of crazy patterns. It's better than it all just going in the bin, you know what I mean? Because we don't like waste. So, but these are a load of fun. Give it a go. Alright, up next we've got Shannon from FlukieFluidArt. Just click on the link that's in the chat, it'll take you to a premiere for today. And if you've liked this, hit like, share and subscribe. Ring that notification bell. Ding ding! That way you get to see all this fun stuff as I release it. That's it from me, so have fun, take care, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.